Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Ford F350 Lariat. This thing is a truck and a half. Just look at the overall size of this thing. Put your bedside step down. You have your railing, so you step on a curb and then you step up and in. To fold it up, you go 1 and then 2. Just like that, and this pushes right back in. Fold the rear seat down. I mean, just look at the room back here. Take a look at the window sticker. Total price of $78,485. Actually not bad for what you're getting. This is the 6.7 Power Stroke. I mean, just look at that. And isolated. Wow. This thing is absolutely beautiful. So you don't have to drill into the truck at all. You have auxiliary switches. So say you have a light bar on 3 and 4. Or you have a child behind the wheel and they like to play with buttons. Power rear window, air conditioned seats. I mean, this thing is pretty much fully loaded. You could extend and retract the mirrors. That's pretty cool. Without further ado, put it in drive, not every other. Oh yeah, you have to be in park. I forgot about that. This thing is insane. In the right configuration, this can tow almost 40,000 pounds, 35,000 and some change. That is crazy. I mean, with close to 1,000 foot-pounds of torque, I mean, that's enough to move a small building. For perspective, I said this in the F250 video, a fully loaded, not empty, fully loaded semi-trailer, you know, the 53-footer, 45,000 pounds. This can tow a decently weighed semi-trailer. That, for something you could just walk in the dealership and say, yeah, I want that one. You know, you don't need a CDL or anything like that. I think you do when you're towing that much, but Nothing stops you from buying this truck. Except, you know, opening your wallet. Good God. I'll go ahead, take it down a nice tight back road, kind of see how the size is. Thing is, this video is more for me too, because I want to buy one of these. I'm looking at trucks for my possible next vehicle. Not bad, actually. Nice and easy to place on the road. It's not completely overwhelming like, you know, the F350. Oh my God. Oh, that's insane. That's something that weighs this much can move that fast. You do also have an engine brake that you can modulate between on and automatic. This thing is just absolutely amazing. So capable. And it really does make the $78,000 asking price for one of these seem pretty cheap. Has so much torque it can't even hook up doing 50 miles an hour in two-wheel drive, and you put it into four-wheel drive and it hooks and books. But it's a lot of torque. See how it does over these railroad tracks. Not bad at all. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.